The following is a step-by-step tutorial on the Media Audit's Multiple Target Single Media Index Reports. This report is an excellent program to use when you want to show the targeting strength of a single media using multiple targets. Introducing the Media Audit Multiple Target Single Media Index Reports. In this example, we'll demonstrate the quality of a local newspaper's audience to a Mercedes-Benz dealership. Taking into consideration the type of person who might own or buy a Mercedes-Benz, let's look at certain targets such as income, occupation, education, and ownership information. From the main menu of the Media Audit software, click on Market Index and then Multiple Target Single Media Report from the submenu. The media selection window will appear. The media is organized in the following fashion: first radio, then print, then TV, then cable, and then websites. If you're not familiar with the list, it's a good idea to scroll through the list to see what's there. In this example, we'll select the New York Post from our media list. You can either scroll through the list, or if you prefer, you can use the search feature to find an item. Using the search feature is easy. All you have to do is type in all or part of a media's name, and the search feature will help narrow what you're looking for. Once we select our single media from the list, we'll click OK, and you'll be taken to the Target Selection window. At our Target Selection screen, we'll select several different targets that make sense for this type of analysis, starting with annual household income. Once you start selecting multiple items from any list, it's important to remember to hold your Control key down while doing so. Otherwise, you'll delete your prior selections. Then we'll select a few different targets such as occupation, proprietors and managers, as well as business owners, partners, and corporate officers. We'll select college graduates and also people who influence business banking decisions. Finally, we'll select people who already own a Mercedes from the list. One of the benefits of the Media Audit software is its search feature. By simply typing in all or part of a word, the search feature will help narrow what you're looking for, saving you time scrolling through the list. When you have clicked on all the targets that you want to include in your analysis, simply click OK at the bottom left of your screen, and your report will appear. Note, the first column shows you the percent of the general population that falls into each of the qualitative targets. And the second column shows the percent of the New York Post's audience that falls into each of the same categories. Any index over 100 demonstrates that this media's audience is more likely to fall into a target audience. For example, you can see in the analysis that 11.9% of the general population earns $150,000 or more, while in comparison, 14.9% of the New York Post's readers earn $150,000 or more. Therefore, the media's audience is 25% more likely than the general population to earn $150,000 or more in income. If you want to sort the data, simply click on the column headers and the data will be resorted. If you want the report to revert to the original list order, simply click on the first column. To display this report in a graphical manner, all you have to do is click on the graph icon and select the type of graph you want to display. In this example, we'll select Horizontal Graph from the drop-down menu. Note that if you choose more than 6 targets, the graph will only display the first 6 targets, which is as much as the graph can fit. For presentation purposes, the graph icon allows you to perform multiple functions to enhance your graph. For example, you can change the report to just males or females, toggle to a 3D graph, or you can customize the title, change the fonts, the colors of the bars, and a lot more. We won't show you all of these features, but here's one. Let's say you'd like to customize the title of the graph and then import it into your PowerPoint. Simply click on Graph Titles and then select where on the page you'd like your title to appear. In this example, we'll select the top of the page, and then you can start typing your title to your graph. Once you finish customizing your label for your graph, click Close and then Close again, and your graph will have a new title. If you want to cut and paste this graph into your PowerPoint, all you need to do now is click on the Clip button and select Bitmap from the drop-down. Then go to your PowerPoint presentation and paste it. That wraps up the tutorial on how to create a multiple target single media index report from the Media Audit. For additional help, feel free to contact our helpline at 1-800-324-9921. For additional tutorials, visit our website